What's going on, guys? Alex Mammoser, one of the co-founders of Bluewater Labs, and today we're going to go over what makes Bluewater so unique in this industry. It starts with Easiway's proven dip tank technology, automated inline. We start with Supra here in this dip tank. It removes ink and emulsion, which allows the entire rest of this machine to finish the screen. How this system works is we have one screen in the tank soaking, one screen up here dipping the product back into the tank, and then we have one screen added to the belt here. It allows consistent workflow, efficient chemical use, which keeps your screen costs low. What makes some of these features so unique to Bluewater is this dip tank. While our competitors traditionally run a solvent, emulsion remover, and power washer system, starting with this dip tank allows us to clean the entire screen first, where if you use a solvent system first, it only degreases and dehazes that last image area and is using your most expensive chemical to do a simple job like removing ink from the screen. Here in chamber 1, we start with a high pressure wash. Coming out of the dip tank with Easiway Supra, we strip all the ink and the emulsion in chamber 1. This does 80% of the work and is by far the messiest part of the job. It has up to a 3000 PSI pressure washer, as well as a filter system to catch all of the tape before it goes down the drain. Here in chamber 2, another unique feature to us is we have a set of air jets. This stops cross-contamination and keeps water where water should be and chemical where chemical should be. Another good thing about the air jets is it absolutely reduces your chemical cost by allowing it to stay inside of that 701 solvent chamber. Here in chamber 3, we have our chemical recirculation. This allows the solvent from Easiway 701 to dehaze and degrease the mesh completely, whereas our competition uses it for bulk ink removal and only dehazing the last image area. In section 1, we knocked off all the ink and emulsion. So here in section 3, we dehaze and degrease that entire open mesh panel, another unique feature to the Bluewater system. Here is the recirculation tank that has filter to catch tape and anything else that might have been left on your screen again. And another set of air jets here, again, keeping chemical where chemical should be and water where water should be. Following the solvent recirc chamber, we have our second high pressure chamber. This takes off all of the haze and degreasing products before we go to the final stage of the machine. Moving into the final chamber here, we have a freshwater flood rinse because we believe every single screen should be flood rinsed as you would do in the manual reclaim process. Then we move to a set of air knives. That blades off about 85% of the water coming out of the piece of equipment here, and it allows you to get to coating faster and stops anything from building up on that mesh, reducing fish eyes when you're coating your emulsion. Coming to the outfeed section of the Bluewater system here, we have a standard just outfeed section, a little bit longer than this piece right here, allowing 1 or 2 screens to sit on the outfeed. You can remove the screens, rack them, and roll them into your screen room. They're 85% dry, so it'll be easy to transport, not leaving water on the floor. This is our optional outfeed inspection booth and backlit right here, so you can see if the mesh is perfectly clean. If not, you can power wash something off right here, going through the Bluewater filter system on the back of the machine. We do have some cool options. We can make customizable outfeed lengths. That allows you to transport the screens in or out of a different part of your factory using the machine as a transportation device.